In this video, I will show you how you can fix if the touchscreen of your Samsung tablet is not working. Now to fix this issue, just perform a force restart on your tablet. Now to do that, just press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time for 10 seconds. If you have an older Samsung tablet and if you press and hold both of these buttons for more than 10 seconds, then your tablet will enter into blue screen mode. So make sure you only press and hold the buttons for 10 seconds. Now let's do this. Just press and hold the power button and the volume down button for 10 seconds. Now after the 10 seconds, just release both of the buttons. Now after the force restart process is completed, then if you have noticed that the touchscreen is working again on your tablet, now to fix this issue completely, just go to settings. Now just scroll down and tap on software update. Now from here, just tap on check for new update and check if you have any software update available or not. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your tablet, as this could be a software glitch which will be fixed through a software update. But if you have noticed that after the force restart, the touchscreen is still not working, then you might have a hardware problem with your tablet. Just take your tablet to any service center and they will fix your issue. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.